Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Auertech and the Elevons. Both machines are designed for compact living spaces, making them ideal for dorms, apartments, and RVs. In this video, we will delve into their features, specifications, and performance to help you choose the right one for your laundry needs. When it comes to price, the Auertech portable washing machine is priced at $269.99, while the Elevon portable washing machine is significantly more affordable at $177.77. This price difference can be a crucial factor for budget-conscious consumers looking for a reliable washing solution. In terms of motor power, the Auertech model boasts a motor speed of 1,300 RPM, making it more powerful compared to the Elevon, which has a wash power of 280 W and spin power of 140 W. This difference in power may affect the efficiency and effectiveness of washing and spinning cycles. Both machines feature a twin-tub design, but they differ in aesthetics. The Auertech has a sleek and modern look, while the Elevon is designed to be compact and functional, allowing users to easily monitor their laundry. The choice between them may come down to personal preference in design. In conclusion, both the Auertech and Elevon portable washing machines offer unique advantages. The Auertech is more powerful and has a premium price tag, while the Elevon provides a budget-friendly option without sacrificing essential features. Consider your needs and budget when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.